Welcome back to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you where to find the save game files and config files for RV There Yet on your PC. First, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type %appdata%. Then press Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Now, you are inside the roaming folder. To reach the main AppData folder, click on AppData in the address bar at the top. This will take you up one level. Inside the AppData folder, open the folder named LocalLow. Here, look for the folder related to RV There Yet. Open it, and you should find the game's save files and configuration files inside. If you do not see the game folder in LocalLow, go back to the Run dialog again by pressing Windows key plus R. This time, type %LocalAppData, and press Enter. Check this folder for the game's directory as well. If you are using the Steam version of the game, your saves may also be synced with Steam Cloud. Even then, the local copy of the save and config files is usually stored in one of these folders. That is how you locate the save game and config files for RV There Yet on PC.